Baningi abantu abakade be-very close no-President Jacob Zuma ngenkathi esaku-ANC. Abanye bebeze behambe naye kwamakhesi bemnikeze support. Kodwa-ke kuthe uPresident Jacob Zuma esevula iqembu lakhe lomkhonto wesizwe, bonke abantu bavele badima. Kube sekuxwayiswa-ke amalungu e-ANC ukuthi ababakhiphe busy labo bantu labo ngoba kusengenzeke behambe noma yiningi.
Uyazi, kunalabantu akade be-very close to umsholozi ngesikhathi umsholozi esengala abathi manje ikagogo. Abe very close to him. Abanye ya nasemakhesini mehamba ikhesi benike support. Be very close to him. Okuthe mangabe esethatha isinqumo sokuthi uvula iphathi MK party. Bavele badima. Abanye bebevele bekuma deployments abanye bese parliament wabona nje ukuthi bavele bashona phansi angabusabezwa ngisho bephawula. You see, labo bantu, you can't leave them in the cold. You can't leave them in the cold. ANC my smart. Labo bantu kufanele iba deploy. Kube khona abakhipha busy ngayo. I understand ke nina manizo igama le deployment ngicabanga ukuthi i-deployment enemali. No. Can deploy them nje bakhiphe busy. Just keep them busy bazizwe bebalekile. Because abantu abane potential yokuhamba noma inini bazohamba one by one. A typical example wagcina nini ukuzwa ngomfundisi uDube. I don't say uzohamba, but sengisho ukuthi those are people esibaziyo ukuthi were very loyal to Nxamalala, yabo. Then if you just keep those people in the cold bangasanakwa, yini ezobavimba ukuthi bahambe noma siyabadedela ukuthi bahambe? Hayibo, papa man, bakhipheni busy labantu bazizwe bebalekile ku-ANC noma bengasekho kulawo ma deployments, because you know ukuthi their commander is in the MK party now. So labo bantu ahlale bebalekile ku-ANC because bazohamba one by one, telling you.